Bonjour, je m'appelle Julie, and it's time to eat. Today we'll be visiting the island of Guadeloupe to make curry chicken. First, we'll saute the onion in oil for a minute or two. Next, we'll add garlic and ginger. Now we'll start adding our spices. Half teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon brown mustard, and finishing with 1/4 teaspoon cloves. Let's stir that all together and we'll bring it to a boil with our tomatoes and our chicken broth. We'll bring it to a boil and then sit and let it simmer for 5 minutes. That looks perfect and it smells amazing. Now we're going to blend this until well pureed. Pour your mixture over the cubed chicken and let simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. It's looking done and delicious. Stir with the cream. And serve it over rice. I've paired it with asparagus and cilantro garnish. For this recipe and more, visit our website at www.ihopemadameGivesMeAN.com. Bon appetit!